Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, finally Capgemini Exceller hiring for 2025 batch is out, and along with that KPMG and also Amazon software developer for 2026 batch is also out. So basically there are three hirings. We will talk in detail. Please watch the video till the end. Do not simply go and start applying from the link given in the description. Okay, fine. So friends, a few days ago I had made a video that Capgemini and Infosys had planned to hire around 65,000 candidates, okay, freshers plus experienced. Now many of the people were commenting that, sir, Capgemini just want to increase their stock prices and all, and that is the reason they are doing. But here we could see, at least from Capgemini side, right, so they have started some kind of hiring. Capgemini Exceller 2025 graduate, and Independence Day is on 15th of August, 17th of August the hiring, the last date is there. So enjoy your Independence Day. Okay. And the next thing, friends, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. The genuine updates, and I generally what I do, so I combine many hirings in one video. So instead of 3 videos, let us have one video where a student get the proper information, genuine information. Please do subscribe, and once you get placed, once you get the joining letter, then you can unsubscribe or you do whatever you want with this particular channel. Okay. Okay. So Capgemini Exceller hiring, welcome you. So contact support group. So this is basically for some kind of networking job. Noida is the location. 2025 graduate. 17th of August 2025 is the last date. Salary package offered here is 3 lakhs per annum. So 25,000 one time incentive you will get, and 3 LPA will be your yearly package. So candidate must have an active DigiLocker account. So this is important now. CSG is Capgemini Cloud and Infrastructure Services. So basically here, so Cloud and Infrastructure Services, Capgemini is hiring for this CIS role basically. Okay, it's not like customer support and all. So contact support group. So don't think that it is a customer support job. It's a cloud and infra services, first line of defense, managing IT infrastructure, incident and service request via the business intelligence approach, using what all terms they have used, business intelligence, right, like artificial intelligence. Nowadays everywhere intelligence is required. Without that they are not hiring. Only email and voice and digital contact channels, chat, SSP, bots, etc. CSG works in cohesion to offer optimized, proactive, predictive and user. All these things are not required. I don't know why. Okay, so ticket management, business intelligence, service delivery, customer management, CHIP, service email retrieve, knowledge management. So here you will be able to learn more. Basically this will come as technical support, not exactly as the customer support. Okay, so should have excellent communication and speaking skills like me. So how I speak fluently in the English, so similar way. Should have good interpersonal skills and ability to perform under pressure like me. Basic computing skills, tuck tuck tuck. Willing to work in 24 by 7, 365 days, Saturday, Sunday, morning, evening. You tell me when I have to work. I will, I will write everywhere Capgemini, 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 everywhere on my body. Okay. Candidate must be open to relocate any location where you want to send me. Where you tell me. If in some jungle also, safari jungle also, wherever you want, I will go. Sit with animals and I will work. You tell me, first you hire me. Candidate must have completed any 3 years diploma or graduation. So basically BE, BTech will not be able to apply here. Okay. So BSc, BCA, BA, BCom. So any 3-year graduation or diploma in mechanical, okay, diploma in computer science. So that diploma and graduate. See, BE, BTech, if you'll give 3 lakhs per annum, it's not good. No. So that's the reason they said no. 3 LPA is not good for you. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the assessment or selection process. If you want to apply, so click on apply now. You will have to give your Superset email ID and password, and then you will be able to apply. See, there might be a possibility that all the colleges might not be eligible for this particular hiring. So if you're not eligible, you will have to wait for the next hiring. Next hiring is from KPMG, Cyber MS MDR L1. The term you see, Cyber MS Mahendra Singh Dhoni, MDR L1, Bangalore, Karnataka. This job is trending. It's trending by this particular company only. Company is telling my job is trending. It is trending or not, that is not there, okay? But Capgemini is, this particular company is telling my job is trending. Bhaad mein gaya Capgemini. Okay. So level 1 security analyst, associate consultant. The names are very fancy. Location is Bangalore. So if you are coming to Bangalore, we will meet. Okay, I stay in Bangalore. So the primary role of a security analyst is a detailed and repeatable execution of all operation tasks as documented in the process and subordinate process. 2024 and 2025 batch will be eligible for this. Okay, so rapidly identify, categorize of firewall, system and network devices. So basically again this will also go as a technical support kind of job only. Okay, now if you come down, but the jobs are good. Okay, so you will be easily able to switch to full-time roles. Full-time roles means you can get into R&D and all. Bachelor degree in computer science engineering, information technology, cyber security or related field. 0 to 1 year of prior MDR SOC incident response experience. Required skills. So if you have familiarity with SIEM tool, Kadar, Splunk, logarithms, Sentinel. First time I'm hearing Sentinel, etc. See, that's what I'm first, because I'm not able to pronounce only these things. So this is the first time I'm hearing. Okay, anyway, you apply. See, your job is always to apply, fail, right? So first attempt in learning. So we have to fail, we have to get rejected. तभी तो यहाँ पे लगेगा कि नहीं यार fail क्यों हुआ, अब fail नहीं होना है. What is the reason behind the failure? And then you have to put effort and you have to succeed. So failure and rejections are very, very important for us to understand that where we stand. Otherwise, hota kya hai ki like we will be in too much confidence that nahin, I can do this, I can do that, I have this knowledge, I have that knowledge. So this rejection, these failures are important for everyone in their life, in every field. Okay, see, many times we think we are, we know this, we know that. Okay, I can easily get selected. But when we actually go for the interviews, when we actually go and write the exams, we come to know about our weaknesses. Okay, so all those things are fine. But I have seen people spending a lot of time in a small work. Okay, and AI is now required for each and everyone. So in your day-to-day life, whatever you are doing in your life, AI you have to use, otherwise you will be far behind the people who are using AI. See, AI will not replace your job, okay? But a person, using AI will replace you, definitely, okay? So create ATS friendly resume, tailor CV for job roles, write LinkedIn bios, write compelling SOPs, draft HR emails professionally, mock interviews and feedback, prepare for HR and tech rounds, explore career learnings path, project reports and documentation, create clean PPTs fast, design personal branding slides, highlight project visually, pitch decks in minutes and create cost-free websites. So all those things is basically, and the date has been changed. So it is 11th of August 2025. So we are starting from 11th of August here if you'll see. Okay, because the reason was that the faculty who was about to take the classes had some emergency, so we have shifted it to 11th of August. So now also you can enroll to this course, because without AI, it is very, very difficult to survive in this tech market where you are taking a lot of time for a simple work. And 2026 batch, chalo bhai, sir, hamare liye kya hai 2026 batch? Software development engineer. So basically SDE role, Amazon pays a lot, or any company for SDE role, they pays a lot, okay? So let's come down. Key job responsibility: ability to design and code right solution starting with broadly defined problems, drive best practices and engineering excellence, work with other team members to develop the architecture and design of new and current system, work in an agile environment to deliver high quality software. I think these people also, right, they get these details from ChatGPT only. So they will give a prompt, software development engineer roles and responsibility, and then they will pick some points and they will keep it here. Okay, so even companies are using, otherwise see how this, a fresher, when you are hiring a student who is pursuing his engineering, how they will be able to understand these fancy terms and all. Okay, basic qualification. So this is Sasi Tharoor English only. So candidate pursuing bachelor masters in computer science. So if you are pursuing bachelor or masters in computer science or engineering or related field, excellent problem solving skills, possesses an extremely sound understanding of areas in the basic area of computer science such as algorithm, data structure, object oriented. This is common. So to be able to write Amazon quality code in an object-oriented language, preferably in C, C++, Java, and Linux environment. Candidate must have good written and oral communication skill, be a fast learner, and have the ability to adapt quickly to a fast-paced development environment. A strong object-oriented, so these are fine. Now, please go ahead and apply. So if you're from 2026 batch, so click on apply now, and after that, the world is yours. Okay. Here also in KPMG, so भैया apply button कहाँ है? अरे there is no apply button, huh? अरे सर क्या करते हो आप? नहीं, it is there, right? So click on apply button and फिर जिंदगी का मजा लीजिए. You don't have account, so create account, and after that जिंदगी का मजा लीजिए. Okay. Here for Amazon also, you have to go ahead and apply for it. Okay. So I hope this is clear, and these wonderful opportunities are waiting for you. Please go ahead and apply, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself here. So thank you.